First of all, introduce myself. My name is Rahul Patil. Today's date is 9 August 2022, and today's video topic name is access modifier in Java. Access modifiers. And basically two types of access modifiers: access modifiers and non-access modifiers. And the first one, access modifier. Access modifier. Access modifier specifies the accessibility or scope level field, methods, constructor, or class, and we can change the access level or field, the field, the constructor class or method. We can applying access modifier on it. First type of access modifier is private. The private access modifier, the access level of private access modifier within the class, and cannot be applied outside the class. Second one is access modifier type is default. The access level of default modifier is within the package, and not we cannot access the outside the package. Third one is protected. Third type is access modifier is protected. The protected access modifier accessibility is within the package and outside the package. We cannot not make the child class. They cannot access the outside the package. And fourth one is last is access modifier type is public. The public accessibility of public access modifier is anywhere. It can be include the class, package, outside the class and outside the package. And we can discuss about the non-access modifiers. First one is abstract. Abstract is a keyword, and it is applied inner class, outer class, inner interface, outer interface, and they cannot applied block, enum, constructor, and variable. Second one is final. Final keyword. Final is a keyword, and it can be applied inner class and outer class variables, inner class, outer class variables, and block and final class cannot be extended, and final class cannot be extended, and final method cannot be overridden. Third one is native. The native non-access modifier can apply only the method, and and the main use of native method, it can be merge the other programming language like C++ into code, C++ code into Java programming. Fourth one is static non-access modifier. The static non-access modifier applying inner class, inner interface variable, inner class, outer class, inner class, inner interface variable block. And fourth one is synchronized non-access modifier. Synchronized non-access modifier can be applied only the method and block. The synchronized method and synchronized block we can use to safety thread. And sixth one is a transist of non-access modifier. Transist non-access modifier applying variable and data members. And for last one is a volatile non-access modifier. Volatile non-access modifier apply only the variable, and volatile non-access modifier cannot be declare method declaration, cannot use to method declaration. And difference between access modifier and non-access modifier is the access modifier can control the visibility of a class or a variable or a method or a constructor, and non-access modifier can be used to provide other functionalities like synchronizing of a method or block, and restricting serialization of a variable. And that's from all my side. Thank you.